Welcome to Parkside The Rotation, our next big world record attempt. New city, new object, new drill. Let me introduce the new Parkside Performance 20-volt cordless drill driver. With an ultra-compact gearbox, a precision Röhm drill chuck and 60 Newton meters of torque. After we pulled the A380, we are going to set the bar a bit higher and rotate the amazing London Eye. 135 meters, 2,100 tons. Massive. The principle is beautifully simple. The drill powers the hydraulic pump. The pump drives the winch, and the winch sets the whole thing in motion.
Guinness World Records here to verify the farthest distance to move an observation wheel with a cordless drill. Brakes are off, spin now, spin!
Eunice, you got this!
Well, let's see how it goes. Congratulations! Amazing! Well done!
Yeah, everything worked out. Wait. You want to move a what?